Mentioned in the past remain sturdy. The usability lab movement has grown dramatically. There's now a professional society of usability lab personnel with its own newsletter, and that topic and that approach continues to be refined. During the past year, the research report focused on the different methodologies that were being used in usability labs. How many subjects were needed, what kind of testing, and how successful were expert evaluations in contrast to naive users' explorations. And so we're getting a better understanding of when each technique is most effective. The second pillar of the user interface management systems continues to grow. It's still in an adolescent phase, but the tools have grown increasingly powerful. And so that in many situations where programmers would have to create long C programs, they can now design on the screen by directly manipulating the widgets that are necessary and create the entire interface as well as the underlying program in a very rapid manner. The third pillar of guidelines documents remains as an important part. Manufacturers such as IBM and Apple have developed and refined their guidelines documents, and many organizations are at work to develop specific guidelines documents for their project. During this past year, I've worked with 4 or 5 companies to help them develop their own guidelines documents for their projects to give a specific corporate identity to their work, to ensure consistency, to speed the development process, to give a record for future maintenance of the system, and to provide the kind of common understanding of what the system will be like. So those techniques continue to be important.